Friends, in this 360 video of the Arena Forest and possibly the place where the Arena Massacre happened, I wanted to show you this particular place in 360. Now, basically this is part of a long road trip in the Komuto area. I wanted to show you this forest and the drive into it. We stopped here and I put the 360 on some tree trunks that fell over. So you can't really go further than this by vehicle. You can if you're walking, of course. There are other videos I took of this area, but in this particular video it's 360 of course. And I just wanted to have a look around. You can, scroll across your screen however it is. If you're using your mobile, you can use your finger. If you're using your computer, you can use your mouse and look in any direction. You can also zoom in and out. The more you zoom out, the sharper it is. But anyway, the main thing I wanted to share with you is the green, the look, the feel of the area. Now I know a video cannot really do that as much. If you were here, you would feel the awesomeness of being in this forest, the peace that it brings. Green naturally hits the psyche of the mind and helps you to relax. That's actually a scientific fact. You can look it up. But what is distressing about this place is what happened in history. In the 1600s, when the Spaniards were here, they basically, in the name of religion, took the Amerindians and enslaved them and made them work. And eventually, like anybody would, the Amerindians wanted their freedom and they rebelled. And this area has been designated as what happened when they rebelled. It's called the Arena Massacre. Now I don't know if it's this particular forest, this particular place, but as you look at all this green and all this nature and this peace, you can just think about what happened in the past. And so that rebellion led to the killing of priests that were in charge of the mission of the area. And they even killed the Spanish governor at the time. And some of the Amerindians knew what their fate was going to be, so they basically tried to make it for the coast, but they didn't reach, or some of them didn't escape because the Spaniards overtook them, captured them, tortured them, killed them, put them on display in St. Joseph. So the area, while at peace in history, does not have a peaceful remembrance because a lot of people died when they should have not. I personally love the Indians, the Amerindians, the peacefulness of their nature, the way they could be one with nature. And it's just something to reflect on. There's a longer road trip coming up. Look out for it. Right now I'm capturing the southwest of Trinidad, but that long road trip in the east of Trinidad is coming up. Thanks for watching.